In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your personal Microsoft Loop workspace, method. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system in Loop that keeps your work organized and easy to update. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in if prompted. You'll land on your workspace dashboard. Look for the plus icon to create a new workspace. Give it a clear name like Personal Para so it's easy to spot later, and pick an icon that visually stands out. Small touches like this make navigation faster when you're busy. Inside your new workspace, create 4 main pages that match the Para method: projects, areas, resources, and archives. Para is a simple structure designed to separate what needs action now from what you're maintaining long term, what you're learning from, and what's finished. Keep these 4 pages at the top level so they become your anchor points. On the projects page, track active work with deadlines. Think of anything with a clear outcome and a due date. Create a simple table or task list with the project name, next action, status, and due date. Keep it action oriented so you know exactly what to do next when you open this page. On the areas page, capture ongoing responsibilities you're continually responsible for, like finances, health, or learning. These don't have end dates. Use sections or subpages for each area and include checklists, routines, and notes you'll revisit. Consistency matters here, so keep titles and formatting uniform. On the resources page, collect reference materials and topics of interest. Add links, files, quick summaries, and highlights. Group related items together so you can scan quickly. The goal is to make information easy to reuse when you need it, not to store everything. On the archives page, move completed projects and no longer active items out of sight. Consider grouping by quarter or year so it's easy to review later. Archiving keeps your active workspace focused without losing history. Now organize your content by creating subpages beneath each pillar. For example, make 1 subpage per project under projects, 1 per responsibility under areas, and topic-based subpages under resources. This keeps notes and documents close to their parent pillar. Customize your workspace to make it intuitive. Add emojis to page titles, choose page covers, and drag and drop pages to set the order that best matches how you work. Visual cues speed up navigation and reduce friction. Finally, take advantage of Loop components like tables and task lists that sync across Microsoft 365 apps. If you collaborate, share the workspace or individual pages, adjusting permissions as needed. With syncing and sharing in place, your Para system stays up to date wherever you're working.